Good morning, online owls. It's Mrs. Leach here. It's your Friday assembly. Today is April 9th, 2021. Let's get started by having a little bit of movement. We're going to have a brain break.
Hold up! Stop everything! It's time for another brain break, the game where we energize our bodies to ignite our minds. And today we're playing a game of Would You Rather. In this game, you will have 10 seconds to choose between two options on the screen, and then 30 seconds to do the matching activity. It's lots of fun. Let's go with round one. Would you rather be super fast or be super strong? If you said super fast, you have to do mountain climbers. And if you said super strong, lunges. Five seconds left. Great job. All right, round two. Would you rather go water skiing or go snow skiing? If you said water skiing, high knees. And if you said snow skiing, butt kicks. Five seconds left. Hey, great job. All right, round three. Would you rather have one eyeball or have two noses? If you said one eyeball, you have to do mountain climbers. And if you said two noses, lunges. Five seconds. Okay, great job. All right, would you rather be able to fly or would you rather be invisible? If you said you would rather fly, you have to do plank leg raises. If you said you'd rather be invisible, run in place. Seconds left. Great work, my friends. Okay, would you rather eat a whole raw potato or would you rather eat a whole raw lemon? Oh, yuck. Okay, if you said a whole raw potato, you have to do jumping jacks. If you said a whole raw lemon, jump squats. Five seconds! You guys are doing great. Okay, would you rather be able to shrink itsy small or become a giant? If you said the ability to shrink, you have to do high knees. And if you said the ability to become a giant, you have to do butt kicks. Left. Hey, great work. All right. Hey, would you rather never have to do homework ever again or get paid to do homework? If you said never have to do homework again, you got to do jumping jacks. And if you said get paid to do homework, jump squats. seconds left.
Well, there you go. Let's go on to the morning announcements. For some of our friends, this is their last Friday assembly in the online OWL school. They're going back to in-person learning after the spring break. I want you to know we're going to miss seeing you in class, but we hope you'll keep in touch with your friends here and your teachers and me. Just a reminder that you can come and join me at Tinker Club on Tuesdays at lunchtime from 12 to 12:40. You can code or build with Legos or blocks, create some art, or just hang out with friends. You meet us here. You meet us at Ask Mrs. Leach at lunch starting at 12. I'll be there on Tuesday after break. It's time for the Friday joke. What do you call a computer superhero? A screensaver. Finally, have a great day of learning and have a great week off from school. And stay safe and healthy while you're away. See you guys.